Welcome back to Crash History USA, the channel where we delve into the gripping stories behind some of the most significant accidents on American roads. In today's episode, we're exploring the world of 18-wheeler accidents. These massive trucks, also known as semi-trucks or tractor-trailers, are a common sight on highways, but they also come with their own unique set of risks and challenges. Join us as we unravel the history and reasons behind these accidents. Overview: 18-wheelers are a crucial part of the American transportation system, carrying goods from coast to coast. However, their size and weight make them more prone to accidents than smaller vehicles. Let's start by understanding why these accidents happen and how they impact our roads. Causes of 18-wheeler accidents. First, let's talk about some common causes of 18-wheeler accidents. 1. Distracted driving. Distracted driving is a significant issue in the trucking industry. While texting or talking on the phone is dangerous for any driver, it can be especially catastrophic when an 18-wheeler is involved. 2. Fatigue. Long hours on the road can lead to driver fatigue, impairing their ability to react to unexpected situations. 3. Mechanical failures. Mechanical failures, such as brake or tire issues, can result from poor maintenance and can lead to accidents. 4. Poor weather conditions. Poor weather conditions, such as rain, snow, or fog, can reduce visibility and traction, making accidents more likely. Impact of 18-wheeler accidents. These accidents have a significant impact on our roads and communities. 1. Injuries and fatalities. Innocent drivers and passengers can suffer severe injuries or lose their lives in 18-wheeler accidents. 2. Traffic congestion. Accidents involving these massive trucks can cause traffic congestion for miles, leading to delays and frustration for other motorists. 3. Environmental impact. Spills of hazardous materials from 18-wheelers can have long-lasting environmental consequences. Historical accidents. Now, let's look at some notable historical 18-wheeler accidents. 1. The New Jersey Turnpike crash. 1973. In 1973, a massive pileup on the New Jersey Turnpike involved over 60 vehicles, including multiple 18-wheelers. The cause was poor visibility due to dense fog. 2. The Big Four Ice Caves tragedy. 2015. In 2015, an ice cave collapse in Washington state resulted in the death of an 18-wheeler driver and a passenger. It highlights the importance of safe driving in hazardous conditions. Preventive measures. Understanding the causes and consequences of 18-wheeler accidents is essential. But what can be done to prevent them? 1. Improved training. Truck driver training programs and continued education can help drivers make safer choices. 2. Strict regulations. Enforcing regulations related to driving hours, maintenance, and safety can reduce the risk of accidents. 3. Advanced safety technology. The adoption of advanced safety technologies, such as collision avoidance systems, can mitigate accidents. Conclusion. As we conclude today's episode, it's important to remember that 18-wheeler accidents are not just statistics. They are real tragedies with far-reaching consequences. By understanding the causes and consequences and taking preventive measures, we can make our roads safer for everyone. In the world of transportation, 18-wheelers are the workhorses that keep our economy moving. However, with their immense size and weight comes a tremendous responsibility to ensure safety on our roads. The key takeaway from our exploration of 18-wheeler accidents is that they are not isolated incidents. They are tragedies with far-reaching consequences. As responsible drivers and members of this community, we must commit to making our roads safer. By supporting improved training, strict regulations, and advanced safety technology, we can help prevent these devastating accidents. Let's work together to protect lives and keep our roads accident-free. Thank you for joining us on Crash History USA. If you found this episode informative, please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Stay safe on the road, and we'll see you in the next episode.